In today's webinar, we'll cover some very important areas, and I'll switch off your cameras because this will go into the recording. And recordings will be shared with people. So I've just switched off your cameras. Now, I just wanted to tell you there are certain some of you are already Bodhami career counselors, which means you have completed our career counseling program on the platform or in the process of completing it, registered for the program. Some of you are not career counselors. You have registered as our sales partner or affinity partner, what we call. Some of you are also are interested in looking at the new recruitment platform that has come up. So I'll be talking about all of this. First, I'll talk about the partnership program, the sales partner or the affinity partner program. The presentation you can see on the screen right now. And then after that, I will talk about our new recruitment platform, which is a wonderful platform which has come up. So let me first, and I'll take your questions in the sense that you limit your questions to these two platforms, either the partnership platform or the affinity platform, which we are talking about. If you have a general question regarding the career counseling platform, then for that, we'll have a different webinar at the end of the month, which will be a digital setup webinar for career counselors. In that, you can address those questions. But in the today's webinar, we will limit it to kindly switch off your camera because it is going into recording. Can you please switch off your camera? Yeah. So so what we will do is that I'll start with the Bodhami partner program. Some of you are already registered as a sales partner. Some of you are not registered. I'll also tell you how to register. I'll tell you how this program works, and then after that, I'll go to the recruitment. As I requested earlier, please limit your questions to these two presentations which I'll be giving today. So first, let me just tell you briefly about what is this program on Bodhami Sales Partner, and then we will go to the next section, which is the recruitment platform. So Bodhami currently has multiple offerings, which is a flagship program is a career counselor certification program or dual certification program, which is in career counseling as well as international student counseling. We have a recruitment and employee fitment assessment platform. We have a LMS platform. We also have a platform where students directly come on the B2C medium and take their career guidance test. So for all these programs, this is some of the Bodhami's credentials, in the sense that Bodhami is a winner of National Startup Award in 2020. It was also covered by Doordarshan, and we have these recordings available on our Bodhami YouTube channel, Bodhami Learning YouTube channel. If you search on YouTube Bodhami Learning, you will see all these details. And we have close to around 1,000 plus, around 1,100 career counselors right now, more than 27,000 students who have gone through our counseling program. And we are currently present in 5 countries across the world. Now, where does this all fit into, in the sense that how can you become a sales partner for Bodhami? That is what I'll briefly touch upon in the first half of the presentation. These are Bodhami affiliations affiliated to Asia Pacific Career Development Association, International Association of Applied Psychology. Quality Council of India has done an assessment on the platform and validated it. We are also linked to Startup Promotion Cell Co-op. So there are 3 steps in which you can become a Bodhami partner. What are these 3 steps? First of all, you need to sign up as associate. Now, some of you have already signed up as a career counselor, but that is a different sign up. For a Bodhami, to become a Bodhami partner, sales partner, you need to sign up separately. Okay. So the first step is, and I'll show you how to do the sign up. I'll show you briefly the platform, demo as well. We have this demo also present on our YouTube Bodhami Learning channel. I'll share the link also for the demo. So first of all, you need to sign up as an associate partner. There you need to provide certain details like your ID proof and your bank account details, because ultimately when you will refer somebody and the commission has to be processed on the monthly basis, it goes into your bank account. So that verification, the team will do the verification of your documents and bank account, and then your account will be approved and you can start referring people. For example, if you want to refer somebody to a dual certification program, or if you want to refer some students for counseling, all those things you can refer, or any other program. Now, we different programs that we currently have different commissions. For career counselor program or dual counselor program, we have around 18% commission right now on the post GST. And for other some of the other like career reports, when the student comes and take the career reports, we have around 13% commission. For white label platform, which is if you refer somebody for white labeling of platform, then we have around 18%. And similarly, we have different. So on an average, when for people who are doing the referrals, based on the number of referrals. For example, if somebody has a coaching institution where a lot of students are already registered and they go for Bodhami's career guidance test on Bodhami's platform, and they have around 100 to 500 referrals. So for them, the earning will be in the range of 50,000 to 2.5 lakh. For the professional associates who will be referring more and more people, around 500 to 2,000, the earning will be much higher. For the website URLs, for example, and I'll show you how it works. And there are two ways in which the referral works. One is through the URL and the other one is through the coupon code. Individual associates for around 50 to 100 referrals, the earning will be close to around 25 to 50,000 that you can earn. Is again based on the number of referrals that you do, and the overall, the program price that we have, and based on that, how much you can earn. So again, to reiterate how to register as an associate, you have to go to bodhami.com and register as a partner. I'll show you that right after this presentation. Then once you are registered, it comes to our team for looking at your documents and your information given by you, and then they approve your account. And once it is approved, now you are an approved Bodhami sales partner, and you can start referring Bodhami's programs. This is our this is the URL, bodhami.com/affinity/signup. I'll show you how to access this for registration. And then this is the email. If you have any queries, you can write to us on partner.onboarding@bodhami.com. And these are the phone numbers. We will anyway share the presentations with you. I think I've already shared. If not, I'll again share it with you. So let me show you how to register as a partner. I'll first show you that. So you have to go to www.bodhami.com. Let me share this screen actually. Yeah, so once you go to bodhami.com, the screen that you see right now, then you have to go and sign up as a partner. In this, you have to select the sales partner. If you want to register as a sales partner, the proposition that we talked about, where you register as a sales partner, your account gets approved. And after that, you can start referring Bodhami's program to different people. And based on your referrals, you earn commission. It ranges between 13 to 18%. So you have registered as a sales partner and then provide your details. Now, some of you will ask this question that I am already a counselor with Bodhami and I'm registered as a counselor. Do I need a separate email ID? Yes, right now you need a separate email ID to register as a sales partner, because what will happen is that the system will only take one email ID, and it will see that the email ID already exists in the system. So it will not take the ID which is already there as a counselor. So you'll either have to create a new ID or use another ID that you have. So once you register as a sales partner, then you will see your dashboards. Now on the dashboard, you will see your earnings, how much you have earned in this month, how many referrals that you have done, all those things, how many times customers have referred by you, have purchased the program, how you will do it. Now I'll show you that. Let me just check that you are able to see this. I think you are able to see this. So once your account is approved, I showed you how you register as a sales partner. That step I've already shown. Then once your account is approved, then you will see a dashboard like this. In this dashboard, what you need to do is that anytime that you are referring a program, there are two ways. You either use the generate URL option, or in that there is a coupon code. Both the ways you can actually refer people. Now, for example, if this is the link, if you go to Bodhami's Advanced Career Counselor, certification program, just giving an example, there are other courses also. But if you, this is the link, then you will just need to go to your dashboard, go to generate URL option, paste the URL, and generate your own URL, which is this URL will have your affinity ID tagged. So if you see the last eight characters, this is the affinity ID that you have, which is now tagged to you. This URL will now have your affinity ID. Now, this is very similar to the way affinity program works with other people, other programs. Please share the presentation. Definitely, I'll share the presentation with all of you, and I'll also share the link of the YouTube recording for this, the presentation that we are making. Okay. Now you'll just have to, now there are two ways in which you can refer. You have generated your URL. What you have done, you have first gone to Bodhami. I'll also send you the number of, the contact number of our sales people, the email ID. If you have any queries, you can ask these people, or you can write directly an email and we'll be able to help you. So how you have to refer it? You have to go to Bodhami's program and any of program. For example, if you go to bodhami.com and you want to refer a certain program, for example, Advanced Career Counselor program or a dual counselor program you want to refer. Like the dual counselor program is like slightly more costly, so the referral amount will be higher. So this program is priced at to 3,999 right now. So you go there and you just paste this URL on your dashboard. On your dashboard, you go to this section, generate URL, paste the URL that you have copied for the program and click on go. Then you will see your own affinity based URL. This is your specific URL now. In this specific URL, what is specific? The last 8 digit is your affinity ID, which is now tagged to this URL. Now you can refer in two ways. You can either give this URL, complete URL to somebody. You can send on WhatsApp, or if you have a website, you can just directly go and paste on your website saying that you're registered for this program. For this, you can also use the white labeled options. In white label option, what will happen is that this URL, when the URL is pasted, it will look like your own URL. It will look like it is your own course. And when you can directly paste it on your website as your own course, as a white label product, and then you can also start selling it. In that case, what will happen is that every time the people is buying it, your affinity commission will anyway be graded on the month end, once in a month. But you can see all the referrals on your screen. How many people have already bought to your URL? The other option is that you just use the last 8 after affinity ID equal. There is a 8-digit character you see. Affinity ID equal. This is the coupon code. You can also give this coupon code to someone who can use it. Anybody who is using this coupon code, they will also get 5% extra discount on the course. So you can say that you want to purchase this course. I'm giving you this coupon code using which you can get 5%. So they just have to go in the course, and when they are purchasing the course, they just have to apply this coupon code. I'll show you that how to apply that coupon code. So once they apply the coupon code, then automatically it will get tagged against you. When the sale happens, it will get tagged against you, and you will get the referral commission. Now the sale has happened. When the sale happens, automatically you will be able to see current month sales number, current month sales value, total sales value. So all that you'll be able to see on your screen. Every time the sales happens to you, you will be able to see it. You can also go into your sales transactions and how many customer sales have happened, that you can see in your every time. Immediately as the person is purchasing it, it will get tagged under your customer sale, and you will be able to see your the value of the sale. And the commission value you will not be able to see, but you'll be able to see the value of the sale. Commission structure is separate, that you can see separately. On the commission structure, on the left pane, there's a commission structure from where you can find out the commission structure. Okay, so this is how it will happen. Now the earnings will also come, earning, the monthly earning, quarterly earning, yearly earning, all that you'll be able to see how much you have earned in a month, in a quarter, or in a year. So this is how the Affinity Sales Partner Program works for Bodhami. Now, if you guys have any question regarding this Affinity Sales Partner, then I can answer. If you can just write it in the chat. If you have any questions, I'll be able to answer you. I'm just waiting for your questions. Meanwhile, I'll show you something. Is there any recurring commission? So I'm not sure what you mean by recurring commission. What happens is that every time you are referring a course to someone using either the URL that I showed you, which you can use from generate URL, or if you give the coupon code, which is the last, after Affinity ID, the 8-digit, if you give that. If the sales happens through that coupon code or through that URL, then you are entitled to a commission. So only when the sales happens, then you are entitled to the commission, either through the URL or through the coupon code. Okay, is it clear? I will tag for a lifetime. I'm not sure what you mean by tag for lifetime, but they have to use that coupon code or that URL, for you to get the commission. What about TDS? Now I'm not very sure on the TDS part, but I'll be able to answer that in the email. How that TDS happens. I think for GST vendors, the TDS happens, in my understanding, but I'm not very clear on that. People who are GST registered, for them, I think the TDS happens. But that technical part, the accounting part, anyway, we will inform you. So that is not a problem. Does be able to share all types of programs? Yeah, any program which is a Bodhami program. On Bodhami's marketplace, there are some programs which are from external vendors, like from Udemy or from Coursera. For those programs, you will not be able to refer. But any of the Bodhami program, in fact, when you go to generate URL, you paste the URL, and if you click go. If it is eligible, then only the URL will get generated. Then you'll be able to see that my URL is generated and I'm able to refer this to somebody. Is there some target? No, there is no target. It is up to you. How many referrals you want to do, it is all up to you. It is not that we are not even charging any for registering to this partnership program or for using this partnership program. We are not charging you anything. You register as a partner, and once you register as a partner, then you can start referring, and it is up to you how many referrals you do. But the more referrals that will happen from your side, you will be eligible for more commission. Only when you are referring the program to someone and somebody purchases it, then you get commission. So the benefit only accrues when you are referring to somebody and the person purchases it. Can we see our customer details in the dashboard? Let me check. So when you look at the sales transaction, actually, it will show you what sales transaction. So you'll be able to see the sales transaction, what sales transaction has happened where you have referred, and you will anyway know that I have given this to this customer. So from that you can find out. If you go for a white label option, we will have a separate website for the courses. What happens in the white label option is that it will be like a partner program. So if you already have a website and you use the white label option, then it will look like it is your program. It will the URL will all be specific to you. And when the customer clicks on it and goes and buys it, in only one place, I think only on the payment gateway, it will come as the payment gateway is enabled by Bodhami. But apart from that, everywhere else, your brand and logo will come. The payment gateway we cannot change because the payment gateway is from their side. So only on payment gateway Bodhami's name will come. Otherwise, your branding will come for white labeling options. From which class or age group we have to refer courses? So see, it again depends on which course you are referring. On our platform, this career guidance report is starting from class 6. The test series also we have, that is also starting from class 6. So mostly the courses that we have that start from class 6 and goes up to professional level. So depending on which course you are referring, it will be the class will be decided. Can we get some sort of marketing training just as to understand the targeted customers? Marketing training, we will look into this request. What kind of marketing training we can provide here? Because see, ultimately it is in terms of marketing, what you have to do is that you have to just start referring. So what you get is your own URL you are getting, right? Or your own coupon code you are getting. Now you just have to go on the social media, like for example on the Facebook or any other social media. If you have a website, then on your website you can put saying that these are the programs which are coming from the national awarded programs, and they are exclusively covered by some of the best media channels in India, and you can take this program to further your career. And then you just have to give that URL or that coupon code. You see, if you apply this coupon code, you are eligible for 5% extra discount over and above the existing discount. So anybody who wants extra discount, even if they want to go for, say, career counselor program, they're getting 5% extra discount using your coupon code. Also, it is getting tagged to you as commission. So in terms of marketing, it is very simple like that. However, we can show you the structure, but it is very simple. If you are like used to social media marketing, then you just have to do that, or your media based, you can also put it on in your YouTube channel, or you can put it in your website. So it's like that. Am I the only one getting echoed audio? I'm not sure, because other people are not saying that. So hopefully you are the only one, ma'am. Miss Srijita is asking, I have to be certified by Bodhami? No. For this certification is not needed. It is open for anyone. Anybody who wants to register as an affiliate partner or sales partner, they can start doing it. I'm not understanding the white label option. What is it? Do we have to refer courses to potential customer? Can we shorten the link with shorten the link? I will. This is a question that I will have to check, because what happens is that in the link there is an 8-digit affinity code that you have. So through that affinity code, our system finds out that this sale has happened to you. When you shorten it, then I don't know. I'll have to check with the technical. I'm noting down your question, so I'll give a reply to this question. This is a good question, but I don't have the reply right now. Now, question is, I'm not understanding white label option. In white label option, what happens is that this URL that you are getting will not be a Bodhami URL. It will be your URL. So, for example, in the white label option, you just have to put that white label partner URL. For example, if you have a website called, I'm just giving an example, Girish Mathur. It's not Mathur, sorry. GirishM.com. Suppose you have a website. Now, what will happen is that the URL will change to something like partner.girishmathur.girishm.com or something like that, which will be your URL. It will not be a Bodhami URL. Now, anybody who comes to that URL, all the programs which are there, like the career counselor program, anything, they will see it as your program, and they will just click on it and they will purchase it. And then they will not find out. Only on the payment gateway they will see Bodhami name. Otherwise, they will not see their name. It will be like your, partnership URL, and through that you will be able to sell it, which means it is a completely white label or your branded URL. I hope I'm able to explain that. Do we have the refer courses to potential customer? Yes, definitely. Either you put it on your website or you give the link or the coupon code to potential customers so that when they do the purchase, then you are entitled for the commission. Can we get training about what to pitch to people? We will plan something out. I think we got one more request. So we will plan something on the marketing aspect of the partnership, the social media marketing and how the marketing has to be done, or the pitch aspect. If we refer to school, the number of students they enroll, how can we get the commission for that? If you give your URL to school and the school is using your URL, like the students are using that your URL for purchasing it, then automatically you are entitled to commission. Or if you go for a white label option, it is your branded URL. If the student use that URL to buy that career guidance report to whatever courses, then you are automatically entitled to the commission. We provide some marketing material like mailer, brochure, content for. We will have to create that. Our team will have to create that. So I have noted the request. Maybe we'll be able to share it with you, but the team will need some time to prepare all these things. Okay. Any additional charges for white? Yes, white labeling is chargeable. I think white labeling. So if you go for normal, you just generate the URL and refer to people. Or if you just refer the coupon code to people, there are no charges included in that. But if you go for white label option, which means it comes as your partner, your website option, then the white labeling charges will be applicable. So we can, I will send you after the email which I have sent you, and also I'll send you will have the details of our sales people. Our executives, you can discuss with them what are the options and what are the charges. How can we share recruitment platform and employee assessment platform URL to someone? Recruitment platform and employee assessment platform URLs. Let me just think about it. It's a good question. You can actually, but actually it is a platform. It is not a course. So the recruitment platform and employee assessment platform, because what will happen is under the platform there will be multiple options. But for that we have another option. That option we will discuss, where you can actually add somebody's ID under your profile as a referral, and then you can use that. Whatever sales happens to that ID. So we will discuss separately. There are some options using which recruitment and employee assessment platform can be referred, but that we will discuss separately. It's a different way to do it. Do we get the commission on the career test sold by counselors referred to us by Bodhami? Yes, I think you had written an email, so we had replied. Again, it is the same thing. You need to add that counselor's ID under your profile. I think you need to generate the counselor's ID under your profile and add it, and then you'll be able to get it. Why 6th standard student need career guidance program? This is a different topic, ma'am. I don't want to get into a discussion of why somebody is needed. You can ask me this question in the month end, when we have the digital setup webinar. In that, I'll be able to answer you this question, because now you're getting into technicalities of career counseling and career guidance, which is slightly a different topic compared to what we're trying to address here. But because you've asked this question, so you come to our webinar in the month end on the digital setup, we will answer you this question. Can I suggest customer to add the Bodhami career test result to their resume? I'm not sure how will the career test result is primarily meant to advise somebody to get into the right career, make the right career decision, and help them to get into the right career path in life. It is not designed to be included in your resume. But what for professionals? Now I'll come to the second part of presentation. For the professionals, when they go through Bodhami's test, then possibly that report, somebody can say that I've gone through, say, a Java functional test, or I've gone through a C++ functional test, and this is the kind of result that I've got in that functional test. So functional test, somebody can possibly present, but career guidance test is not meant to be presented to people. Will you team help in creating white label website for us in my domain name? You write to us on our, definitely our team will help. I'm giving you this email ID, you write to. So any queries that you have regarding white labeling and all, that you directly write to customer.support@bodhami.com or partner.onboarding@bodhami.com. Or if you are already in touch with one of our sales executive from Bodhami, you can also have a word directly with them. They'll be able to help you with white labeling. Okay. So definitely, anybody who's interested in white labeling, the white labeling option is definitely there, and it is a very good option because you will get your own brand. So you can, check out with our team. Do I have to pay for those licenses? When you're doing a counseling, then as a counselor, you have to pay for the licenses. But what I was talking about today is a partnership, sales partnership program, where you actually refer Bodhami's program to people, and those people purchase the program, and you get your whatever is the entitled commission amount. That is the whole objective of today's presentation. If you are doing as a counselor, if you are like adding licenses or doing counseling, then you need licenses. That is a different topic. So let me go to the second part of the presentation, which is the another interesting area on the Bodhami's recruitment platform. Okay, so let me open that. So now I will be talking about the recruitment platform that Bodhami has, and I'll also be showing you a very simple demo of that. So what happens is that, some of you are already Bodhami counselors. You know about the career counseling platform. Bodhami also has a recruitment platform and an employee learning platform. So I will first give you a brief on that, and then I'll go and show you how the recruitment platform is, what are the features. So first of all, the question is, why is it that the recruitment platform is needed? Now, when the companies are doing the recruitment, or suppose you are an HR professional, you want to do recruitment, or even somebody is a placement consultant or HR recruitment consultant who is helping people get hired by the company. Now, it is very important to improve the hiring time in terms of there are so many people in the market for skills. You want to select the best people. Now, in that best people, you want to see that those are the people who are fit for the kind of opening that I currently have, or either when I am working with a company as a, say, recruitment consultant, then I am referring the right kind of people to the company. So there are different kinds of skill that you had. Sometimes you have a leadership role, sometimes you have a software developer, sometimes you're hiring as a project manager, sometimes you're hiring as a business analyst. So for all those skills, actually, the different. Sorry. So for all those skills, different kind of skill sets are needed in people. So you want to quickly assess whether these people have this skill. What do we do in the career counseling platform is that we find out that whether this person is the right fit for a given job, whether the person, what kind of job will be the right fit for this person. So we say that the person goes through career counseling, test, and then we say that these are the best possible career options for you. Now here in this case, what happens is that the person is already into a profession. The person is a professional. So, for example, is either a software developer or a project manager or business analyst, whatever, or a sales professional. Now, as an organization, you want to hire somebody as in the organization, or as a placement consultant, as a recruitment consultant, you want to refer the right person. But the organization also wants that my hiring should be very fast and I'm selecting only the best possible candidate in shortest possible time. So that kind of profile selection can be enabled by a recruitment platform. So in this platform, you first have to, there are two parts to this platform, skill assessment dimension. The first is the aptitude test, and the second is the functional test. So for any candidate who goes through the recruitment assessment, they have to go through aptitude test and they have to go to the functional test. So what does the aptitude test does? It finds out the overall skill profile, overall persona dimensions, and overall best fit careers for the individual. And the second part, which is functional test, is actually more focused. For example, if the hirings for Java or Angular or sales or engineering related career, then you can define your functional test. And how do you do that? I'll show you in the demo. But you can define your functional test and can find out the functional skill of the individual. Sometimes as a career counselor also, when you are counseling professionals, so for example, when the professionals come to you for career counseling, there can be two different types of queries. One is that can be that I'm into software development career, but I want to make a career change. Can you tell me what is the best possible career for me? And you guide me with that. If that is the question, then you have to run the standard career counseling test. Under standard career counseling test that we have also a professional level. So you have to select the professional level and run the test and find out the best possible career. Second type of people can be that those who come to you, or either companies come to you and say that I want to hire Java professionals. Can you find out which are the best out of these, say 100 people, which are the best Java professionals and which are the best people who are most suitable to be hired by us in my organization as a software developer as a software developer in the Java profile. Then you have to run the recruitment test, because that is more specific in terms of finding, apart from the overall aptitude, apart from the overall career fitment, it also goes ahead and finds out the functional competencies of individual in given functional areas. So here we have around 60 plus functional areas. 30 are generic, like for example, areas like creativity, team collaboration skills, sales skills, business development skills, management skills. Those are like generic functional competencies. And then we have more specific technical competencies. For example, C# or HTML or Java or jQuery. So things like that, VLSI. So those are the specific technical skills that you can also find out. Now, one of the best thing about our recruitment platform is this is a proctored test. So what do you mean by proctored test? When the student is when you assign the recruitment test to an individual, then the test is automatically proctored. What happens is that the student has to upload their ID proof, and the student also has to the system automatically takes 10 photographs of the individual. So when the student is writing the test, randomly the system, what the system does is that it starts taking the photograph at the random intervals, just to find out that the right person is giving the test, number one. Number two, the person who is giving the test is not using any wrong means during the examination, not doing any kind of cheating or something. So the random photographs, 10 photographs are also taken during the examination, the proctor test. And also it becomes a full screen test. So anytime the student wants to go away from full screen, which means that student wants to go into some other screen and try to find out the answer, then also the system automatically notes it down, and it forms when the recruiter goes to the test, it informs that this is something which has happened, which I'll show you in the demo. Now, this platform also allows the analytics of the candidates in terms of the people who have given the test, what is their overall performance. So if there's for Java, there are 100 people have given, what is their overall comparative performance, what is their skill benchmarking, all those things are found out by the system. That is, the analytics is also enabled on this. What kind of roles are enabled? So let me show you the roles, some of the roles. Roles like leadership, sales and servicing kind of profile, software engineering kind of profile, typical engineering careers like mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, those kind of tests, quality control, general administrations, IT support, data science roles like Python and the other supportive data queries like languages. And then specific programming languages like Java, J2E, .NET, all those things are also can be tested on this platform. So this is a sample of the recruitment test report. In this, the difference that you see is, I will make it a bigger screen. Here you will, apart from the matching careers and the skill map persona, you will also see the functional competencies, the functional maps of the individual. We will send you the sample reports as well for the recruitment test. Competency based scoring, for example, you want to test for say Java, J2E, all those functional areas, what is the score and how has been the student performance, the candidate performance in that area will also be tested. The candidate aptitude, the functional test is also found out during the examination. Okay, now let me show you the platform actually, because I think you've understood it. So it will be good to show you the actual demo. Is there a way for my own skill assessment test? Yes, definitely. I'm not sure, Mr. Shivam, if you're already a counselor with Bodhami. You can add yourself like one of your email IDs and you can give the test. What are the options to personalize or use this platform? Personalize or use this platform. How to use this platform that I show you? I think I already showed the sales platform. Now I'm showing the affinity platform. So actual demo I'm showing right now. Personalize is already personalized actually, but if you want to actually personalize with your own branding, then you have to go for white labeling option. Okay, so now I'm going to the affinity platform. Here what happens, not the affinity, sorry, the recruitment platform. So now suppose that you are a recruiter. Now as a recruiter, you will first need to register as a recruiter. If you go to sign up as a partner, then there is a role called as recruiter. There's also a HR and learning role. I will also talk briefly about that. But recruiter are the people who are either into the business of recruitment or they want to run the functional test for their career guidance, or they are from the corporate who want to recruit the right people. So you have to select the profile recruiter and then create your profile. And then when your profile is created, automatically you will come on this screen. You will come on this screen, which is the recruiter dashboard. Now, this recruiter dashboard will look somewhat similar to a counselor dashboard, but there will be some small differences. Can the system have inbuilt questions for each function? System has inbuilt questions for each function. When you assign a functional test, the system has inbuilt question. But what we are also going to enable in the next couple of weeks is that you can also upload your own questions for different competencies. That also we are going to allow. Yeah, sure, Mr. Suresh, we will share the link. So what you have to do is that as a recruiter, you have to first go and you have to, now you are the recruiter. who are, want to recruit candidates or who want to assign this recruitment test to individual. So you have to first go to manage job options. In the manage job, you need to create a new job. So in creating a new job, for example, if it is software development Java kind of role, and the software development Java role, you need somebody from 0 to 2 years of experience, and you're defining your cutoff percentage that anybody who scores beyond say 50% or 60% in the test, that person I'll consider eligible for my recruitment test. You can define your own cutoff percentage. Now, for this role, software developer Java, you have to define your competencies. So you can select any 6 competencies right now. After a few weeks, we are going to allow 6 to 9 competencies that you can select for your given role. Now, this is just an example. The role can even be different, like a project management role or a business analyst role or a marketing executive role, whatever role that you want to do the recruitment on, that role that you have to define. On which parameter we can decide whether to recruit the candidate or not, right? So in this parameter, that is why this threshold is defined, In this, what happens is that the functional test that you are assigning to the candidate, in that, if the score is below the threshold, which that you have to define, automatically the candidate will be rejected. The report will generate, but it will show as rejected. If it is beyond above that the cutoff percentage, then it will come as selected. But then you have to decide after the interview. You can also change the cutoff percentage later. Like if you want to say that 100 people have given the test and I need 20 people and only say 10 people are qualifying, so I want to reduce the cutoff percentage. Any point of time you can reduce the cutoff percentage and automatically more people will become eligible. Okay, I hope I answered your question. So for example, as a software developer Java role, you have defined 6 competencies like verbal communication, teamwork and collaboration, information technology application, Java level 1, Java level 2, and JavaScript. So these 6 competencies I have defined, which I'll be using for testing an individual. Okay. So now my job is created. So I update it and my job gets created. How good is your functional test? I mean, we are one of the most researched and most awarded platform in India. You already know that we received the National Startup Award, and we also have been specifically, Doordarshan and BBC World News has covered our platform. And we also have a white paper. If somebody is actually interested in getting more understanding about this, how these things work, then they can definitely ask for the white paper. We'll be sending those white papers to those people. That is for somebody who is really want to get into technicals of how all these things, work. So after you have defined it, now you actually have to assign the test to somebody. So you have to go to manage candidate, and you can either do a bulk upload. That is, if you have hundreds of students, you can add students using your Excel sheet or the CSV, format sheet, or you can individually, you can go and add student. So when you add student, I'm just quickly adding to show you. Now you're selecting for which job you are, this candidate is. So for example, software developer Java role. And you are also selecting, do you want the proctoring to be required? Do you want the proctoring to happen? So we have selected yes. And then you just create this. Now what happens is that the candidate has received the test. How can we, is career report, counselors can use the HR learning report for a student. It is a different platform. So you need to take a different, register to this platform. On which parameters we can decide whether to recruit the candidate. How good is it? I think we already answered. Award is for counselor. I am asking what recruiter program. Yeah, so basically when the award means that the kind of technology that we have used, the AI enabled platform, which uses the artificial intelligence algorithm, the same algorithm are used in these platforms also. So that is why it is, I meant to say that it is highly awarded. This career counselor can use the HR learning report. HR learning report is the third part. I'll briefly explain it to you because we have less time now. How can we approach placement agencies? I think for marketing, we will give you a separate presentation because we don't have that much time right now. So now you go to the email and as you go to the email, you will actually be able to see that the recruitment test has been assigned. Invitation to take aptitude test, as you can see now on the screen. So candidate can actually go and take this aptitude test. I will not show the complete test to you, but I'll show you the proctoring part, because proctoring part is very interesting and it is different from our career counseling platform. Those who have seen the career counseling platform, for them, I want to show the proctoring part actually. So now I'll show you how the proctoring works, because that is an interesting HR learning. I'll brief you, quickly. I'll brief you. So it is more or less same, but there's only one difference which I'll show you. You select the language. And here comes the proctoring part. So what happens is that you have to upload the ID proof. So you have to upload the ID proof and you have to capture the photo. And now when you go and give the test, then automatically the system captures your 10 different photographs, which I'll show you when I go back there. Automatically, the system captures your 10 different photographs, which are proctored during the test. So, which means just to make sure that the right person is giving the exam, the person who is attached the ID proof is giving the exam, and also you can, based on the proctoring, you can actually decide, whether to select this person or not. So I'll just go back. Give me a second. The system is a bit hanging actually. I'll just show you the proctoring part and then I'll quickly talk about the HR learning. So now what happens here is that when you go to manage candidate, in the test history, you can actually find out if there is any violation that has happened. I hope you can see now on the screen. If there's any violation, which means the student has gone from the full screen mode, then that will automatically be noted in test history. And also the photographs which are taken will also be done, you can see. So any photograph that has been captured during the proctoring test, the 10 photographs, and if any violation has happened, that will also automatically be noted and presented to you as a recruiter. or as an HR, the same thing will happen in the HR learning test as well. So now you're actually able to see that now you're able to decide, and now you can look at the report. I'll open a report, which is called Candidate Job Fitment Report. In that, you can overall aptitude score as well as the functional score also you will find out. Now, because our matching percentage was 50, so it is saying it is not matched. But overall functional, apart from the the most suitable careers, it will also show you the functional analysis. So this is a functional. I'll show you the functional analysis. So how the candidate has performed in different functional areas, including like Java level 1 and level 2, and the other areas that we have selected, that will be presented for you as a recruiter. Functional competency wise performance in 6 different areas that we have selected, that will also be presented to you. And the overall persona of the candidate, the overall skill profile of the candidate, the best matching careers for the candidate, which are the aptitude part, what are the best matching career. So it will help you, making the decision whether this person is the right fit for this role. You'll be able to find out from here. Okay, I hope I was able to clarify. Now, what happens is the HR recruitment platform. In the HR recruitment platform, apart from all this, one more area is also added. What is that one more area? That is basically for employees actually. So in that, suppose your employee is on a given level. Say, for example, you want to run the HR learning report for an employee which is in a Java developer role. So you will be able to find out, number one, how good is the person in the given role, or for example, a project management role. You can define your competencies, run the test, and find out how good the person is in these functional area and what is the overall aptitude. But apart from that, you will also find out the learning recommendations here. So in the learning recommendations, for every area that the student that the person is weak at, there will be recommendations given in the report. And also for the functional areas that the person is weak, there will be learning recommendations. That, for example, if Java is one of the weak areas, how the person can improve the Java, what are the courses for that? So that part will also actually come in the HR learning report. So the learning recommendation part will be extra in the HR learning report, which is for the performance appraisal, and you can say finding out doing on say yearly basis. You can run this kind of test on your employees and find out what are the gaps and how they can improve the gap. Or if you want to go for an appraisal or promotion cycle, then you can check that whether the person is good or fit for this role or not. So that is the primary purpose of the HR learning report. We have already completed our time. So this is 4 o'clock. I will be sending you all the the presentation that we made, and also the recording of today's webinar. It will be uploaded in the YouTube, and I'll share it with you, all you guys. Also, I'll send you the email ID or the phone numbers on which you can have a discussion. If you're already in touch with your Bodhami sales executives, you can directly talk to them. They'll be able to guide you. How HR learning report will help candidates who are already working for quite long time. Yeah, so that is the entire purpose of HR learning report, ma'am. Because what happens is, if as a project manager, I'm already a project manager, it will find out how good a project manager I am based on the test which is designed. And then it also tell me if I'm not good, then this is how I can improve. So these are the areas of project management in which I'm not good. And this is how I can do my courses, and this is how I can do the learning to improve as a project manager. So this is how it will help. Okay. Thank you for your time. I think wonderful interacting with all of you. I'll share all the details, and you can also get in touch with our sales executive. I'll also share their email numbers and phone numbers. If you're already in touch with them, you can directly talk. Thank you.